fingers in the screen. This is where I saw Big Daddy and the kids last May. It's monsooning out today, but here I am. See this? What's going on in here? That's wild. See that? They toppled another tree down in there. See that? Tree smash. That top of it shredded. Excuse me if I'm just trying to protect my camera, actually. See, these trees are coming this way. There's that path. See? Stomp, stomp, stomping all the way in. Oh, can I see the other? Okay. Wow, man. There's that other wiki-up. Oh, gee. I'm gonna go stomping in here. I'm not gonna get all stabbed up. Sorry folks, my hand is soaked. Protecting it from the rain. How can I get in there? I can't. Okay, there's a new wiki up through here. Can't see it. Oh, tiny little birds. Okay, so now I know that these couple of hangers here, this one, ouch, and that one, are pop-offs from when they gave this big tree a shove. Okay, because it looks a little bit different. Just a little. I need to look around. Hey, Dancy! Dancy, you home? You home today? So my purpose today, I was going to bring my brand new 72-inch long monopod that I got for Christmas to look above and beyond all this stuff. But it's raining too much. I don't want to destroy my camera. So I'm here shielding my camera as much as I can. Gosh, this is... Look at, they added more stuff. They added this stuff. This is awesome. Yeah. So cool. Look back in there. They tossed another tree in. See the white Spanish moss all over it? Oh, wow, man. This is wild. They threw another tree on here. Look at all the, see all this, and it's living. Gee. What's going on? See all the spikes? They tossed another tree on here. You guys are amazing. Okay, so the green, oh my goodness. Yeah, this is wild. This is wild. Can I go in through here without getting killed? Can she do it? Maybe. Just want to see if I can see that other. Watch my step. Watch my step. Don't break my hip. Watch my step. Hey guys. Watch your feet. Wow. 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 Oh, this is amazing. Yeah, they brought this tree down. Wow. It's just me, Lindy. Fancy! How beautiful! Oh, wow! Okay, don't be terrified. There's the other hut. See it? It's awesome! It's got big timbers in it. Where am I here? It's another great big wiki-up. It's beautiful, and here I'm inside of what I believe is a den. Look, they turfed another tree down right there. Awesomeness. Okay, I'm going. Woo! I just got a loud buzzing in my ear. Really loud buzz. Kind of a supersonic sound. Look at this. They could have smashed this. Wow. Woo! That was weird. Never had that sensation before. Felt like someone covered my left ear and hummed in it. Hi, you guys. I know it's raining, but it's not snowing. So in my last vid, see, look, you can, if you belly crawl, you can go under there and go out into the field along this is suite number 1, and suite number 2 is directly behind it. They brought a bunch more Spanish moss covered branches in, and I do know that Spanish moss is edible. It can be eaten. Not seeing any footprints. Okay, look. Okay, so this is where I got the footage of they were all standing right here. Okay, so see, there's that arched branch, and they were like right all in here, just crowded all in here. And I got about this close, so, you know, there's my feet, and there's one wide step of my foot wherever my foot went. And so that puts me right to the branches here. So yeah, these guys are amazing, amazing bushcraft artists. And this area becomes increasingly interesting every time I show up. See how beautiful. I'll walk you back out with me. Hi, Sissel. I said before these were all anonymous bushes, but they're not. It's like 6 to 8 kinds of willow. There's rosehip galore in here. There's some laurel trees. I don't know if those are indigenous or not, but there are laurel trees through here. Oh, I saw someone looking at me right there. This is beautiful. Thank you for letting me see. This is fantastic, man. Yeah, they're making another creation right over there, right through the brambles. Fantastic. Oh no, that's not it. That's just another fallen tree. The other wikiup is through there. See it? You can see it. Fantastic. It's kind of it looks like a snowy mound. Awesome. Thank you. think I'm the only person that notices this stuff? I mean, out of the hundreds of thousands of people that come here, how can I be the only one that notices this stuff? I don't know, man. These guys are awesome. Yeah, let's go out here. It's raining even more. Well, just really being rained on here. The tree's piled up against another tree back there. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. I can't wait to get that monopod working so I can just reach up above stuff and take a look. See, huh? There's another shredder. That tree's been shredded. Where am I? Big tree just below. See it? Shredded. Nice work, guys. There's a few markers in here now. There. Oh, and one big one. Awesome. I love these guys. See, I told you this was a bass. Check it out. You just got to duck down under there. Oh, it is. Dang, I don't think I can get him.
But he always
Fantastic.
said,
Hi. Always throw garbage into the forest. I don't get it. Oh my goodness. I'm really cold. Hey babies. Sorry, I'm just giving you bushland here. Wow. In winter, when you can see clean through, well, it's not really a clean through look, but you can see way better. Look at this. Oh, for crying out loud, they built another one here. Oh, wow, man. They built another one right here. Smack dab in my face. I'm not going closer. That wasn't there last time I was here. Look at it. Can you see it? Oh, shoot. Hang on. Can you see it? Am I seeing things? Let me look. Weird. Did you hear that snap? That was really close to me. What's going on? I think it's an optical illusion. Hey guys, just coming in for a picture. Woo! Thought somebody was grabbing on my legs. Yeah, this is wild. Ah, dang, my feet are soaked. They're creating a new hut here. Wow. And it's next to that crazy looking teepee thing. Okay, kids. There's my 15 minutes of getting rain soaked like crazy. Oh wow, look, they busted a few more branches here. I hope I don't have any raindrops on my lens. Okay, peace and love, my friends of the cyber world. Thank you so much for subscribing. This is New Year's Eve 2019. Bigfoot Forest, Vancouver Island. Peace and love.